Today is our first of 2 engagement sessions here in New York City, and we're waiting for the subway. This couple is amazing. We're gonna photograph on the Brooklyn Bridge and in Dumbo, so technically it's 2 locations. However, it's like very close to each other, so we're walking. So the first thing to keep in mind is travel. We always allot enough time. We always take the subway because honestly it's the most efficient way to travel. Here it is now.
We made it to Dumbo, and as you can see, it's totally packed right now, which
fully
is
expected.
Not a scary thing for us at all, but it can seem very intimidating.
So one of the
we
things...
always pack really light, especially for a session like this. So all we brought with us today is...
1 bag. So inside this is, we went super light, 2 R6s, 150mm 1.2, 115 to 35, and 170 to 200. That's it, because when we're commuting, we want to be able to pack everything, and we don't want to just have our cameras out if we're traveling more and going in between destinations. A lot of people kind of contrast this with, don't you always bring a backup? In this scenario with the engagement session, one of us is usually only shooting at one time, so we feel completely fine. Having 2 cameras almost feels like a backup, and we've never had to use our backups before. So specifically in an engagement session, not a wedding at all. But in an engagement session, 2 cameras is more than enough, 3 lenses. We're gonna meet the couple now. It's amazing. We're so excited. We're just going for super urban, super vibey here in New York City.
Right? All right, start walking towards me, looking at each other. Look at me, look at me. Amazing, but do it a lot slower. Walk way slower.
So we always start with walking. One, couple super natural at it. They do it all the time. They're holding hands. We're having a great time. It's just an easy way to break them in. And if you are photographing couples walking, turn your camera into AI servo mode. It means it'll track them so you don't lose focus.
Look back up your inner shoulders at me.
Content.
Yes, yes, look at each other. Stop right there, get nice and close to each other, and then turn back over that inner shoulder at me. Hope, look at me. Derek, kiss her on the cheek. Hope, bring your foot in just a little bit more. Yes. I'm coming in close. Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh, pros.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, look.
Always.
Oh my Look God. At how your dress flows. Amazing.
Always go in the back of the camera quick.
Oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes.
Sink in a lot easier.
Let's do that. Hope, flare out your dress even more. Derek, put your hand in your pocket. Yeah.
Oh yeah, full fiesta.
And Hope, you don't even have to do full. You can just like move it around a little. I want you to booty bump him 2 steps in. Hold on, wait for the photo bomb. Which way is it going? I don't know. Okay. All right. Okay, start walking towards me. Look at each other and booty bump.
Yes,
look at me, look at me, look at me, look at each other. Going for a kiss.
Perfect.
Yes, beautiful. Love. Put back just a little.
Both of you pull your shoulders back a little. Yes.
Yes. Hope, can you whisper in Derek's ear? You can make him laugh, you can make him blush. Start walking towards me. Look at each other. Yes. Look at me, look at me. Look at each other again. Going for a spin right there. Spin right there. There you go. Yes, yes, yes. One more spin. And going for a kiss. Perfect.
So one of the things we always tell our couples to do is travel super light when we're on location. So this is all they brought. So I've been carrying her around the whole time. It's so much easier because a lot of times they'll just bring multiple outfits, but when you're in New York or a big city, you're on the subway, you can't carry wardrobes with you. So they did great.
Closer. Yes, look at me, look at me. And look at each other again.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Like you would think it was sunrise almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Like hyper wide.
Oh my God, I'm obsessed.
Oh, I love that. Look at me. I'm gonna have you walk towards me, keeping eye contact with me. And look at Hope, look at Hope, look at James. Eyes right here at me. Do the same.
So we're just wrapping up a location 1. Next we're going to the Brooklyn Bridge, which is right up there, and it's going to be amazing. However, we were going to start the Brooklyn Bridge, but it was a little too sunny and crowded, even for New York, so we started down here in Dumbo. Now we're going to walk up and end at the Brooklyn Bridge. Sometimes you got to roll with the punches, feel the crowd. It's been great.
Yes. All right. You guys literally look like your faces. All right, start walking, start walking. Look back, look back. Hold on to your dress and go. Yes, 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 yes. One more twirl. One more kiss. Yes. Yep, point your toe. Pull back, look at each other. And then go in for a kiss. Perfect.
Back at me.
Love.
Perfect. So we're about to do our Instagram intro video. We usually do it in the beginning, but we were so excited we just started, which happens most of the time. So we're gonna record the Instagram video to the intro to our story, which you'll see on our Instagrams or probably already have. So we're gonna get that right now.
Guys, we are on the Brooklyn Bridge right now. We are doing Hope and Derek's engagement session. They look so good. Woo! Yep, right here. Face each other. Yes. That was awesome. Oh my gosh. So what was really cool is that we started off, we were going to start on the Brooklyn Bridge, but then we realized it was way too bright. And so we started down here in Dumbo in the shade with the Manhattan Bridge in the background, which was awesome. And then just made our way all the way up to the bridge. And it was so beautiful just in time for sunset. They're such troopers for walking 2 miles in heels, and they followed our directions and they packed light. So we only had a couple things of theirs to carry, which was amazing. And I can't wait to show you the photos.
Always worth it. And just a reminder, like, it's worth it. Like, the couple is stoked. Never be concerned if it's too much. The photos are amazing. We can't wait to show you. And if you haven't yet, click the link below. We made a free guide for you on your free checklist on how to book destination weddings. It walks you through my 4 Ps and principles that we use to book destination engagement shoots, weddings, and even for just destination boudoir sessions. So we're excited. So hit that link. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments. You can always find us on Instagram at @JessDarkHouse, @JamesWitty. Until next time, know that you are capable of great and amazing things. And I'll see you in the next video.